But the idea was always that at some point we believe in this underlying technology that governments around the world and regulations around the world would eventually adapt, and that there would be an advantage at some point in having been created and operated under these jurisdictions during times of uncertainty where you had to over-report and essentially go out of your way to open the door for others, and so kind of leading to make sure that others could then follow suit. This advantage in the short term was maybe a disadvantage, but in the long term, we thought was going to be a very big advantage. And so now, when we are building applications or when we do reach out to institutions, we're able to showcase that we've been in this jurisdiction now for years, and we have a track record in this jurisdiction for years of operating above board with very stringent regulations and, I guess, requirements. And so this, I think, gives us a very large advantage right now. We have seen, especially since the Bitcoin ETFs have launched and now with the new Trump administration in, we've seen that it's been much easier to operate. There are a lot of, especially on the banking side, on the financial side of things, we've seen that banks are much more open to bank with institutions or companies that are dealing with the blockchain. So it's been a little bit easier to operate. The doors are opening faster than before, especially because we've been here and we've been based here for so long. We have a track record. And so, that was always the plan. And we're happy that now kind of the outside world is now catching up to what we saw.
Awesome. Thank you. So everything now is extremely clear. And now, of course, about the holistic Web3 banking approach, could you please
Mhm.
introduce it in more details?
Sure. So you and I, when we go to the bank, typically traditional bank, regular bank, we have access to a few services. We might get a checking account, saving account,